It's an off Friday in South Florida, and I just can't shake the habit of coming out, go down to the monkey bars. We are going to do an off day workout, and that might include some jump rope and some burpees. Maybe just a few burpees, some hangs, some core for 24, some band work, and maybe a few pull-ups, maybe a few dips. I think on off days it's beneficial to do a lot of work that's position oriented. You know, we're not doing a lot of swinging. We're doing holds, low hold dips like planks, stuff like that, and work some squats and work some burpees, work some cardio. Nothing too strenuous because it's a weightlifting day tomorrow. We do some hip opening work on the off days as well. Might attach one of the bands to our ankles and just move the legs, or just do some high kicks or leg swings, something like that. Same for the shoulders, same for the wrists. And yeah, that's how we're going to fashion it for the balance of the spring and maybe into the summer. So with that, guys, I'll see you at the playground. Back again on a proper Friday, a growth day. So we're going to take it easy on the vessel. And I think I already gave you the setup on the way down, so nothing more to do than just get the job done, and I'll report back to you guys right after this message. I'm doing now what I should have been doing between the ages of 25 and 35. And if I believed in regrets, that is, by regretting something, I could change it, I would regret that decade of inactivity and sedentary lifestyle. However, on the other hand, if I hadn't experienced it then I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing now, and I wouldn't have the mindset that I have now for fitness. So that decade set me up for every decade that came after it. So I'm not mad, I'm not bitter, but sometimes I imagine where I could be now if I didn't have that 10-year gap in my fitness training. Well, friends, we didn't have to work too hard to take it easy. We just did a bunch of basic stuff, no burpees, but we did do jumping jacks. We did some hanging, leg lifts, jump rope, lunge walks, I think, yeah, front lunge walks, and we worked the legs a lot. You'd be surprised, or maybe not, how tired out you can get just swinging and kicking your legs. The sky cleared, the wind is still blowing, it's a little bit warmer out and a bit more humid. That's it. Thanks as always for joining in, checking in, thumbs us up, blah blah blah. Appreciate you guys. See you next workout. Have an awesome weekend. Cheers.